Hi guys, I'm here at beside Crocodile Island. Guys, I'm holding this camera waterproof. The brand is Pentax WG3. You see? This camera is shockproof. See? Even if you hit in hard surface, it won't be destroyed. As you see, it has plenty mode and it has auto picture program, HDR, handle night snap and movie, underwater movie, and digital microscope and landscape, flower, portrait, interval shot, interval movie, high-speed movie, and time-lapse movie. Once a micro movie, digital SR, surf and snow, and kids and feed, sport, night scene, and night scene portrait, flowers, food, digital wide, digital panorama, and report. That's all. As you can see guys, it has a quadrophonic recording and also 4 channels at a time. See guys, this camera is waterproof. I will show you in the water. Please like and share my video and click notification bell.